Hi guys, this is Nimish and this is my daughter.
Hi guys, I'm Avya and I'm 9 years old. Today we are going to solve a Rubik's Cube, but with a twist.
What is the twist, Avya?
The twist is that we are going to be blindfolded.
Really? We're going to solve Rubik's Cube blindfolded?
Yeah.
Okay, so then let's call upon Devansh, my son, to jumble the Rubik's Cube.
Hey guys, I'm Devansh. I'm going to jumble the Rubik's Cube. So here we go.
Now these cubes are as random as they can be. We are going to first memorize them. That is the first step in solving a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. Thank you, Devansh. Now we are going to take this Rubik's Cube and we are going to start memorizing them. Once we've memorized them, then we are going to solve them blindfolded. So we are going to spend a few minutes memorizing them. In the meantime, you guys take a short break. Blindfold ourselves. Avya, let's get blindfolded.
Yeah.
Avya, have you blindfolded yourselves?
No. Yes, now I have.
Can you see anything?
No.
It's pitch black in here. Now we're going to take these cubes and we are going to solve them blindfolded. Best of luck, Avya.
Thanks, Dad.
Yes! That is very impressive that you both have managed to solve our Rubik's Cube blindfolded, as you can see. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye.